Feeling foggy, low energy, moody or inflamed? It's not just stress, it might be your omega-3 levels talking. And today, we're not talking about fish oil, we're talking about the next evolution in essential fatty acids, krill oil. Krill are tiny, shrimp-like creatures that thrive in cold, clean ocean waters. But don't let their size fool you. Inside these little crustaceans is a nutrient powerhouse that's rapidly gaining popularity with health experts, biohackers, and wellness seekers alike. Here's why. Krill oil is rich in EPA and DHA, the two omega-3 fatty acids that fuel your brain, protect your heart, and support your vision. But here's what makes it stand out. Unlike fish oil, krill oil contains phospholipids, which help your body absorb omega-3s more efficiently, and astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that gives krill its red hue and helps protect your cells from oxidative stress. Let's break down what krill oil can really do. Brain boost. DHA supports normal brain function. Low DHA levels are linked to poor memory, brain fog, and attention issues. Supplementing with krill oil has even been studied for its positive impact on ADHD and hyperactivity in children. Sharper vision. DHA is also crucial for eye health. People with higher omega-3 intake have been shown to have a lower risk of macular degeneration and improved night vision. Heart health. EPA and DHA contribute to normal heart function. Studies link omega-3s with reduced risk of high blood pressure, angina, and even heart failure. They also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels naturally. Hormone balance. Many users report relief from PMS symptoms, mood swings, and skin conditions tied to hormonal imbalance. Krill oil may help smooth out the hormonal roller coaster, especially for women. Anti-inflammatory power. Krill oil may help reduce the pain and stiffness of arthritis and rheumatic conditions. The EPA and DHA help cool inflammation from the inside out, without the side effects of harsh meds. And when combined with the right allies, krill oil becomes even more effective. Take it with a multivitamin to boost absorption. Combine with glucosamine to support joint repair. Add bilberry for enhanced eye health. Try it with Agnus castus for deeper hormone support. Now, before you rush to stock up on krill oil, here's what you must know. If you're allergic to seafood, krill oil is a no-go. If you're on blood-thinning medications, speak to your doctor. Krill oil may amplify the effect. And as always, consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. What works wonders for one person might not be right for another. Here's the takeaway. Krill oil is more than just fish oil's cooler cousin. It's a next-generation omega-3, packed with brain, heart, and hormonal benefits, plus powerful antioxidants your body will thank you for. If you want sharper thinking, a stronger heart, smoother skin, and better balance, krill oil might be your natural solution from the sea. For more deep-dive science-backed wellness tips, hit that subscribe button and become part of the Vital Elixir community. Because true health isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle. And it starts with knowledge. Consult your healthcare provider, stay curious, and keep nourishing your vitality.